Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be showing you different types of flint and steels and different examples of tinders to use with them. Stick with me. A flint and steel is a tool that is used to send sparks down into a tinder bundle to get yourself flames. One example of a flint and steel is a ferro rod. A ferro rod has magnesium in it. And what you do, well, it's magnesium and flint. And what you do is you take a sharp metal object, like my knife for instance, and the back of my knife, it's sharp, and you just do that, and it sends sparks, as you can see. Decent amount of sparks. Now, this can usually get something ignited within 1 to about 5 strikes. Now I'm going to show you something else that's really cool. Another type of flint and steel. Now these are the only two that I know of as of right now, other than the other one where you can actually take a rock flint and a piece of carbon steel and hit it together, but I haven't tried that yet. This is a magnesium bar, or a mag bar. What you do is you scrape shavings off the back and get a pile of magnesium, and then you strike this flint, which that does strike too. You strike it and it ignites that pile of magnesium, causing it to burn whatever tinder you're trying to burn. So let me show you some different examples of tinders, and I'll get back with you. One of the classic ones I know of is a cotton ball. All you gotta do with a cotton ball is just spread it up, or spread it out, my bad. Now you can use cattails. As you can tell, it kind of looks like cattail fluff. I'm just going to lay that down right here. Grab my knife. I'm just going to give it a good spark with my my ferro rod here. And see, 2, and that got it going right away. Just going to put that out real quick. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing but show you an example of both flint and steels. So now I'm just going to take this, put this out so I can show you that there's no other flame involved. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and spread this out now. Oops, still a little bit left. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and spread this out a little bit. Just set that there. Now I'm just going to take, it looks kind of like a saw, it's got teeth. And all I'm going to do is just start scraping some magnesium off there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just get a nice bunch of shavings in there. And magnesium is a soft metal that it ignites with a little bit of ignition to it. You can see that there. I'm just going to grab my flint here. You see? Got it going pretty quick. Another good type of tinder to use is char cloth. Char cloth is made from 100% biomaterial, which meaning like 100% cotton t-shirts or anything that was just once living. There's some I made from some cotton cloth a while back. You see there? I'm just gonna get a nice bundle of it here. I'm just gonna set it here on the ground. Now what it is it's active carbon, and any spark will get it going. And all I'm going to do, here, I'll start with this one first. Now see, I really don't need to scrape the back when it comes to char cloth. I could literally just take the flint, and it's already going. Like I barely even sparked it, and it's already going. But you just put that into your Tinder bundle and use it as a coal when you blow your fire to life. All right. And then now with the ferro rod, see? Any spark will get it. Any spark will get that going. Get yourself a nice hot coal there. Another type of tinder I like to use are these cotton pads soaked in candle wax or paraffin wax. You can even use beeswax if you want. All you gotta do, and the good thing about this is it's waterproof. I actually made a video on how to make these, and this is a very, very good tinder, especially when it's wet outside. All you gotta do is break up your tinder. Just get it all broken up. You gotta get those fibers released. And then you can just go ahead and tear it, like so. Just go ahead and place it down here. Kind of make the fibers stand up a little bit. I'm just gonna grab my ferro rod and we'll use this first. Sometimes you gotta flare out just a little bit more materials. Some more cotton there. Oh, almost had it. Just gonna flare it out a little bit more. Kind of clear some of this grass out of the way. I am doing this in my yard. Get down to the soil here. All right. Sometimes you can ignite like that. Oh wow, okay. Takes some time. Here, I'll add a second one to it. I've lit this with flint and steel before. It did get hot, really hot today, and I think it melted in the car. Just trying to get as much of this as I can. Don't you fall down. There we go. And then once you get a little flame, just throw it on your others. And you just start spreading it. You kind of make it into like a little candle. And there you are. Sorry that took a minute. But this will burn a long time, and I did do a video on how to make this. It's almost virtually windproof. It's a very, very good fire starter. And super easy to make. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you igniting this with a mag bar. Now for this, I've never done it with a mag bar before, so I'm going to kind of go at a different approach. I'm going to kind of make like a little nest type of dealio like this. See how the fibers are all kind of flared out in the center there? I'm just gonna scrape a bunch of this magnesium on there. Like so. I'm just gonna go to the other side. And there it goes. That was way easier with the mag bar. There you go, guys. Magnesium there burning, and then got onto the cotton swab. Break it open, it just gets bigger. My last tinder, I've got birch bark. Now, this is my all-time favorite tinder, and it is natural. You can find it practically anywhere that's wooded. So all you're gonna do to ignite birch bark, just gonna get a nice flat piece here. So you can see there's a piece of birch bark here. Nice flat piece. Now all I'm gonna do is just grab my knife. And you wanna just scrape the edge of it. Just get those fibers up. And birch bark has an oil in it that actually is very flammable when given a combustible object. Yeah, you can see all those fibers building up there. Alrighty. And once you get enough fibers, just grab your ferro rod and your knife. See, it sparked way over there and about tried to ignite and didn't even get right over here. That's how flammable birch bark is. There you go, it's already going. Very, very good fire source. I love birch bark. And you just keep throwing more on top, or you just fold the fire into itself. But, oh, wind put it out. That's alright. It's easy to get started back up. But now that you know this is a very good tinder to use in a survival situation, I'm going to go ahead and use a different piece real quick. Let me see here. We'll use this piece right here. Now, like before, you just grab your knife. You just start scraping the heck out of it, to get those fibers showing. All right. Now, if you have a mag bar, that's about the only thing you need your knife for. Not unless, well, I guess there's some ferro rods that come with a striker. I just prefer not to use the striker. And then you scrape a bunch of this on there. Like so. I don't know if you can see it in there. I'll get just a little bit more. I want you guys to be able to see it. It's like a grating cheese. Alright, probably good. I'm just gonna go down and there we go. And there's a little bit of flame there. As you can see, birch bark is very, very flammable tinder. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. I do things like this once a week. So if you're into this type of thing, like outdoor survival stuff, hiking, camping, bushcraft, or just flat out outdoor adventures, hit that subscribe button. I'd like to have you a part of my community. I also do awesome fishing tutorials and fishing videos. I also go live for fishing quite often. So if you guys are into fishing as well, go ahead and check out my channel. I'd love to have you a part of my community. As always, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.